This Sunriver Realty property video is presented by Bryce C. Jones, PC, broker less than bedroom greater than ABR, CRS, ePro, GRI, RSPS, SFR. Location is everything. Sweeping Deschutes River views both upstream and downstream with no pathway between the home and the river. Siskin Lane is one of the most desirable streets within Sunriver Resort. Comfortable reverse living floor plan with soaring ceilings and lots of windows to take advantage of the one-of-a-kind views. A large upper deck runs the length of the home. Below is a paving stone patio and a hot tub with views of the river. A large master suite with office/reading room and a walk-in closet. The guest rooms are comfortably sized. The driveway is newly paved and front entry has been updated. Riverfront homes don't come on the market often, and homes on Siskin Lane even less often.